right, good morning. How are you doing today?
Awesome. How are you?
I'm doing amazing. Well, you look like you're wearing a super fancy magic backpack suit. You are going skydiving, huh?
I look good, right?
Yeah. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Bucket list, and I'm in my 60s, so let's go.
Let's go. I like the sound of that. You ready to rock and roll?
I'm so ready.
Let's get it.
Woo!
Woohoo! Woo-hoo! We found us an airplane. Are you ready to get in so we can get on out? Yeah, that's what we want to hear. All right, you just went skydiving. Tell me, how are you feeling?
Fucking amazing.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
I think the free fall. You don't really feel like you're falling.
No, not at all.
Like
it's amazing.
Floating. It was amazing.
You did absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thank you so much. Woo. Woo! Thank you, Lee.
Yeah.
John.